Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 301, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New York: Allegheny, Cattaraugus, Chautauqua, Erie, Genesee, Niagara, Orleans, and Wyoming, and the following: the Upper Niagara River and Buffalo Harbor, Ripley to Dunkirk, Dunkirk to Buffalo along Lake Erie, and Buffalo to Ripley beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent,